How to fix Messenger notification sounds not working on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Messenger notification sounds not working on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is open up your Messenger. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. After you do that, head over to the menu that is on the bottom right corner. After you do that, tap on settings that is right below your profile. After you do that, there you can find your notification and sound. It's right here. Tap on it and make sure that it is turned on. Now if it is not turned on, it will take you to your settings and then you can turn it on. After you do that, you can head back to your Messenger app and this is what it should look like. Now here, make sure that your notification preferences are set, so you can change your text tone. After you set your text tone, you can simply select different options right here as well. Make sure that all of these are toggled on, and after you do that, you can head over to your settings. After you're on your settings, head over to your notification and Messenger. Now to get here, what you do is you first head over to your settings, scroll down, and there you'll find notification. Tap on notification and then you can simply search for your Messenger app. So search for your Messenger app. After you search for your Messenger app, what you can do is you can simply make sure that your sounds and badges are turned on. Now your sound is the one that's most important here. Make sure that your sounds are turned on. Now you can set the sound from your notification on your Messenger that we did just back there. Make sure that the text tone is turned on. After doing that, you can then head back to your sounds, your settings, and head over to sounds and haptics. After you're here, make sure that your text tone and stuff, everything here is turned on. And also make sure that your ringtone and alerts are, not set to minimum option there. And also make sure that your system haptics is turned on. And after you've done that, you're basically good to go. And that's how you fix your Messenger notification sound issue. Thanks for watching, guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more.